Good morning, Interboro. Please rise for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Now stay tuned for today's Kaleidoscope. Interboro Ice Hockey begins again with a game coming up November 6th versus Sun Valley. Game time is 9:30 p.m. at Iceworks Rink 1.
What up, guys? It's your girl Chelsea McCarthy back at it again with another talk show. Thank you guys for being here. I really appreciate you all. And for today, I got a surprise for you. Bracelets! You get a bracelet, and you get a bracelet, and you get a bracelet.
Involved with the following winter sports available through signing up on Family ID. And don't forget to make sure you're wearing your school-issued ID badges every day. Also, wrestling workouts on Thursday from 5 to 7, boys basketball workouts from 5 to 6:30, and Friday is the football home playoff game and the end of the first marking period. Playoff football returns to the South Avenue Sports Complex with Round 1, Interboro vs. Bishop Shanahan on November 4th at 7 p.m. All tickets must be purchased through Hometown Tickets, or you can scan the QR code on this page or on the printed out poster on your homeroom room. There are no physical tickets allowed at the gate. Please purchase your tickets via QR code.
Hi, I'm Sky, and today for lunch we have corn dog nuggets with seasoned steamed mixed vegetables.
Got bowling on the brain? See Mr. Barrett to join Bowling Club. Today Bowling Club goes to McDade Bowl after school. That's all for today. Have an amazing day, Interboro.